In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to install a fully working CachyOS operating system on an external SSD or a USB drive. Perfect for beginners and without tossing your Windows installation or your personal files. CachyOS is one of the best Linux distributions based on Arch Linux and known for its performance, and it's currently ranked number 1 on DistroWatch. This isn't just a live session, it's a full portable OS install that you can boot on almost any computer. You can think of this as a dual boot setup where you choose between Windows and CachyOS at the startup. Before we begin, here's what you'll need. You'll need CachyOS ISO, Rufus, USB drive for the installer 4GB plus capacity, external SSD or a USB drive 64GB plus recommended, a PC that can boot from USB, and secure boot disabled. To disable secure boot, restart your PC, then enter into BIOS or UEFI settings by pressing F2, ESC or delete key during boot depending upon your computer. Then go to the security or boot tab and from there disable secure boot and then save and exit. Now we are going to download CachyOS ISO, so for this go to CachyOS official website. The link is provided in the description. Choose the correct edition and then select download. Select direct download. Download the ISO file. While the ISO is downloading, go to rufus.ie, a software to make a bootable USB. Download the latest version for your operating system. It's a lightweight and no installation needed. So finally here I have both downloaded files. Now plug in your installer USB drive, open Rufus, and then under device select your installer USB. Under the boot selection, pick the CachyOS ISO and leave everything as it is. Click start and confirm any prompts. Wait for around 5 minutes to complete the process. And now plug in your external SSD or USB drive where you want to install CachyOS. And before we start installation, plug in your laptop to the power source. And now restart your PC. Press the boot menu key, which is F12, F10, delete, ESC, depends upon your motherboard. And then select the installer USB from the boot menu list. CachyOS will load from the USB drive. Once in the CachyOS live environment, you will see the welcome screen. But first we connect to Wi-Fi for downloading the packages and updates. Simply select your Wi-Fi network and enter password and connect. And now click launch installer. Select your system language and then choose your time zone. Choose your keyboard layout and then click next. You'll see bootloader options, GRUB, Limine and many more. Select GRUB, which is most common and stable, recommended for beginners, or select Limine for modern lightweight bootloader and then click next. Carefully look at the list of drives. This is very crucial. Identify your external SSD by size and model name. Make absolutely sure you select the external SSD, which is the 256GB drive in my case, not to choose your internal Windows drive. Select erase disk. This will delete all the data from the external SSD. Choose file system BTRFS. It's the recommended one. It supports snapshots and compression. We also can encrypt the drive, but I'm not doing this time. And then click next. Select your preferred desktop environment. The desktop environment determines how your system looks and feels. I'm going to choose KD Plasma, which is modern, customizable and user-friendly. Other options include GNOME, XFCE, BSPWM, Cosmic, and many more. Choose any one of them and then click Next. Choose any additional packages you want. Printing support, Firefox, or extra utilities. Then click Next. Now time to create a user account. Enter your full name, your username, computer name, and then create a strong password, confirm password, and then click Next. Now review the installation summary carefully. Double check that your external SSD is selected. Verify all settings are correct. Then click Install Now. Wait up to 15 minutes for installation to complete. You can enjoy the slideshow during the installation. When installation completes, click Restart Now. You'll see the GRUB boot menu, select CachyOS, and now enter your login password. You can see CachyOS is now fully installed and ready to use, and it's running pretty fine. Now to test if Windows 11 boots normally, restart your computer. Again, the GRUB boot menu there should have been Windows Boot Manager or Windows 11 listed, but can't see here. We may need to update GRUB, but for this time let's restart and go to boot menu and select Windows Boot Manager. Windows should load without any issues. So there you can see your dual boot setup is working perfectly. One important thing, if you disconnect the external SSD and try to boot, you might see a GRUB screen instead of Windows. Don't worry, nothing is broken here. Your system is trying to boot from the external drive but can't find it. So to fix this, press boot menu key during startup and manually select Windows Boot Manager. This will load Windows 11 normally. Or go into BIOS settings and move Windows Boot Manager to the top of the boot priority list. This way, when the external SSD isn't connected, Windows will always boot normally without any extra steps. And that's it. You have now installed a fully portable version of CachyOS on your external SSD using the easy beginner-friendly method. I hope you found this helpful. And if so, please give it a like and subscribe to NCX Tech for more Linux tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.